How to screen mirror on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on any of your contact. Here, you can view this person's contact information such as their name, photo, number, and more. Tap on the video call icon beside FaceTime. You are now video calling this person on FaceTime. You can mute the call or turn on the speaker using the options above. Here, tap on the share icon as shown. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Select Share My Screen. You can then screen share your video call. Tap on the End button to end the call. Alternatively, go back and swipe down on the screen to open the control center. Over here, tap on the screen mirroring icon to start screen mirror. Following these steps, you can easily screen mirror on iPhone.